Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aku Galaxy. My name is Akriti Gupta and today you are going to learn how to go from a shy person to a confident speaker. And today I'm going to expose everything that I did to become fluent in English and a confident speaker in just 90 days. Yes, it is possible. Some people say this is not possible, but yes, it is possible if you are consistent to your goals. It may be possible in 2 months if you are more consistent, if you are hardworking. So let's see what I did. So, when I started my journey, honestly, I didn't even know where to begin, what to do, how to start. But I didn't give up. And slowly and gradually, I just start experimenting with my English a little every day. And then I literally got three powerful tricks that literally helped me a lot to improve my English, improve my fluency, and my confidence as well. So let's discuss these three powerful tricks which gonna be help you a lot to improve your fluency and to become a confident speaker. Let's go. Number one, boost your self confidence first. How you can do it? And how did I get this self confidence? I just started doing exercises, meditation, and the most important thing is positive self talk every single day. This positive self talk gonna be boost your self confidence every day, and these things didn't just make me healthy, it gives me a self belief that yes, I am capable of achieving anything, any single thing. What I want to achieve, I can achieve because I have that potential. So, self positive talk is very important for your life to become a confident speaker, not just in English, in any language. Any language. So, let's move on to the next point. Number two, start learning something new every day. Yes. When I started learning English, I didn't know what to do. Then after that, I started meditation and these all things to strengthen my self belief first. And then after that, when I think that I have to improve my English, what to do? Then I don't know where to start. I just started watching podcast, 4 to 5 podcast every single day, and it's about um 3 to 4 hours. I think 2 to 3 4 hours like this, and it was frustrating. Sometimes I didn't understand what they were saying, but after times, gradually, slowly, I started catching the words, what they are saying, and started catching the tone, how they are saying, how they are expressing their emotions. Then after that, slowly, gradually, I started taking interest in the podcast, and I love podcast. You know what? Podcast helped me a lot to express myself with the real life, and it also helped me to improve my vocabulary, phrases, and make me confident. So if you are also frustrated while learning English, like watching podcast, you didn't understand anything and you are just getting frustrated with all these things and you want to just give up, my suggestion is don't give up. Just keep going. Be consistent to your work. And then gradually you will definitely overcome this problem and definitely get success in this language and whatever you are doing. And the last and the most important one. And first of all, I want to ask a question to you all. You know what? Why I am here? Because I just started to learning English. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Creating videos makes you more confident because when you create video, when you shoot your video, you started presenting yourself in a better way because you know someone is going to watch your video, and that's why you present yourself in a better way as much as you can. So that's why I'm here, and I was not knowing at that time that I'm also capable of making videos. And that's why I'm here, because I was just consistent to my work. And today I have 300 subscribers, and in my recent video I crossed 2000 plus views. And I love to solve problems. That's why I'm making this video, because someone asked me that how to overcome this nervousness, how to be a confident speaker, how to strengthen self belief. So that's why I'm making this video. And I am super excited to cross 500 subscriber. And you know what? I love to make videos now. That's all for today. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.